Hi class, welcome to Environmental Science. I'm just going to give you a quick tour of the e-learning environment to help show you guys how to progress through the course and be successful. So the first thing I want to draw your attention to is the news feed. It's super important that you guys read this every day, that you guys should be logging in. And if you do, you're going to get hints on how to be successful in the course, upcoming assignments, due dates, fun facts, funny pictures, all that good stuff. So definitely make sure that you read through the news feed every single day. Okay. The next thing I'm going to draw your attention to are these calendars here. So I've basically mapped out the entire semester for you. So if you click on the dates here, a calendar will pop up that shows you the due dates for the unit at hand for the month. So what I would recommend is that you print off this calendar, and that way you have a hard copy to kind of keep you on track for the semester. And the way this works is it'll show due dates for different assignments or tests and stuff like that. Everything is due midnight on that day. But don't just start it that day. If you see that, for example, assignment 2 has 1, 2, 3, and then it's due on this 4th day, you will need to take all 4 of those days to actually get this assignment done on time, okay? So as soon as one activity ends, you should instantly start working on the second activity to have enough time to complete it for the next due date, okay? And you can keep progressing through the course like this. I also don't kind of hold you up at all, so if you want to work ahead, if you're that keen, absolutely go right ahead. You can keep progressing and even finish up the semester a little bit early. Okay. Alright, so what else I can draw your attention to is the content section, and this is how this works. So you'll click here for the content, and after you fill out this student information survey, things will start popping up here for you to do. So what you'll do is you will click on the first page. You can read the overview, but the important stuff is in the content right here. And so you'll read through all the information for that lesson. Sometimes there will be second pages, sometimes there won't be. You have to scroll up to actually see that information. And once you're done reading all of the lesson, what I'd recommend you do is go back and take the exit quiz for that lesson. Okay, and it's just a quiz that has to do with the content from that lesson. And for the quiz, you either have to get either like an 80%, sometimes 100% on the quiz for the second lesson to appear. Okay, and as soon as you achieve that grade, the second lesson will appear. You can take these quizzes as many times as you want. I can see how many times you do take them, so try to do your best on the first attempt, but they're not going to hold you up. Okay, so take them as many times as you have to in order to get that 100% pass. You can open your notes when you're taking the quizzes and refer everything back to them, so they shouldn't be too tough. When you're done that, you can start the assignment. Okay. Most lessons have assignments, not all, okay? And you can just follow the instructions. And I have a checklist for all the drop boxes too as well, just to make sure that you're getting all components of it. Okay, so that's how to follow through the content and the exit quizzes. And the last thing I'll draw your attention to right now is if you go to the course tools and go to class list, this is everybody that's in the course, and alphabetically I actually happen to have the last name. So if you scroll to the bottom, you'll see Laura Mitchell, and that's me. So if you ever want to get in contact with myself, all you have to do is do the drop down. You can send an email to me through here, or you can also use the pager tool. So if you click here, it's not letting me click on myself apparently. So for example, if you click on another student and then hit page, you can send them a little message too as well. It's sort of like a text message. So for longer emails or sort of longer messages, choose the email option, or you can page me at any time too as well. I try to come onto the course throughout the day and also periodically at night and the weekend, so I can answer questions throughout the day and the night to keep you guys on track and to make sure you guys are feeling supported. And that kind of brings me to the last part. Don't be a stranger out there. I know I can't physically see you or sit down beside you to help you with this stuff, but I'm here to help you. So email, page, text, whatever you guys need to do to feel supported and to know how to get through this course and to be successful. So that was a really quick run through of how to do things. But if you have any questions, again, just get in touch. Okay, thanks. Bye.